right, hey, what's up, y'all? My name is Paul C. Tiarina. I'm a nutritional therapist, lifestyle and performance coach in Las Vegas with an organization known as the SHT, which stands for SuperHuman Transformation. And I want to welcome you to the SHT by telling you a little about what we're about and how we might be able to help you. Now, you're probably here looking for something, and that something is probably health related. And we think you found the right place because we are freaking amazing. And I want to remind you why we're all here together, why we're trying to do all this stuff. We are trying to live our most amazing life possible, and we're trying to be as happy as we can possibly be. That's what we're doing. And we truly believe and understand from experience that this process starts with health. Because when you're healthy, you're strong, you're resilient, you look, feel, and perform well, you have an optimal body composition that you're happy with, that you're comfortable with, and that you're confident in. You're relatively asymptomatic, meaning you have little to no symptoms, and you're happy and emotionally stable. Now imagine having all that put together, what that would do for you. People experience what we would consider to be an awakening. They show up to life completely different. Because when you find health, you find yourself, and everything about your life changes. And these are exactly the things that will change for you when you learn the right information and put it into practice and have the right kind of support. So let me start by telling you what I would recommend doing right now. And then if you want to stick around, I'll tell you a little bit more about us. All right, so what you can start doing right now is I would recommend subscribing to all our updates because we only put out empowering information and updates about programs and events that we have going on. All right, so I would start by subscribing to our newsletter at superhumantransformation.com. Also at that website, we have an amazing blog that you can search with a lot of great resources and content. And then we also have a really comprehensive YouTube channel with a ton of videos, a ton of playlists. So I highly recommend subscribing to our YouTube channel. And then also follow us on social media, wherever you do social media. I would also highly recommend checking out our community website at community.superhumantransformation.com. This place is amazing. It's a place of education with the right information. It's a place that will give you experiential knowledge and experience with the things that you learn. And it's also a place of support with other people on their own personal health journey. Now let me tell you a little bit more about me and how we developed the SHT. So like many of you, for most of my life, I was completely lost when it came to health. I thought I was doing the right thing, but I wasn't. Until I realized I wasn't, because I hit my very worst. And at my very worst, I was 275 pounds, high blood pressure, pre-diabetic. I had horrible digestive issues, and my symptoms just went on and on and on. And then through a lot of research and digging and experimenting, I found the gift and the power of ancestral health and nutritional therapy, and I completely turned my life around. I was so excited about my results that I decided to move to Las Vegas to live a life of service and teach what I'm learning to other people. And so since 2010, I have personally experimented with every nutrition protocol and mastered every nutrition protocol you could imagine. I was vegan for 2 years. I've mastered paleo, primal, Weston A. Price, low carb, ketogenic, Mediterranean, and even full carnivore. And we've experimented with fasting since 2010. I've mastered sleep. I've been meditating for over 10 years. And so for 10 years, we've been in Vegas teaching hundreds of private clients what we've learned. Thousands of people have gone through our progressions. And with that combined experience and feedback, over time, this is what we continue to hone and develop, what we call the SHT, which is basically a methodology and a movement. So the SHT is a methodology and a system for obtaining elite health using what we call the foundations for health, which primarily include real food, sleep and meditation and mindfulness, but we also sprinkle in a little bit of being outdoors, disconnecting, grounding in nature, and simplifying life. The SHT is also a way to get experience and facilitate your own personal experiments so that you can find what works best for you, because we're all very unique. And then finally, the SHT is a movement and a community of support because we have a lot of people that we work with and a lot of people that support each other. And the reason that we're here doing this is because, again, we all want to live the most amazing life possible. We want to be happy. And we remember what it feels like to be lost and confused and to feel like crap and to not be happy with the way that we look, feel, and perform. And we are here because most people are completely confused when it comes to how to be truly healthy. There's so much information and misinformation. We clarify the confusion and bring confidence to the people that we work with. Now, the big question might be, why listen to us versus some other health organization out there? Well, we're subscribers to many methodologies, but we are members of none. We clarify the confusion and bring confidence to the people that we work with by following the relevant methodologies that work and experimenting with them, and then simplifying and distilling their concepts and the relevant information into easy to understand things that we can implement in a crazy modern life. So basically, we learn from everything that works out there, and we bring back the principles that work. We only care about what works. We only care about getting results. Also, we are the perfect combination of ancestral combined with modern and hip and fun. So we're always up to date on cutting edge health topics, and we're always open to change. So part of our daily responsibility is reading, learning, following the latest and greatest in the holistic health realm, to include the latest books and podcasts and scientific research and leaders in the functional medicine and holistic health realm. And as we learn, as we experiment, we update the SHT. And because we're always learning and experimenting and evolving and flexible, what we teach is always relevant and up to date. We are also a way of life for a lifetime. Because we are not pigeonholed into a methodology, maybe a methodology works temporarily, but it might not be sustainable for a lifetime. Our focus with our members and the people that we work with is health, longevity, and quality of life, and making things work in a modern lifestyle for a lifetime. So the SHT is a way of life. And the SHT is from the heart, because the intention behind what we're doing here is to help people and to help people live their most amazing life possible. We will do anything that we can to further you down your path. We are committed to a lifetime of support, because anything that you do with us, we are there to support you throughout that entire process. So again, thank you for listening. If you paid attention this long, what we'd recommend doing is subscribing to our newsletter, subscribing to our YouTube channel, connecting with us on social media, and then checking out our community at community.superhumantransformation.com. And then if you have any questions whatsoever, please just let us know, because we are here to help.